Okay, so since we talk about money, we also need to know how to read the numbers, right? So we're going to start here. So this one is just 1, 2, 3, right? So we read numbers. So this is units, tens, and hundreds. So this is simple, 123. But now, problem starts when you start at 4, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, so what do? You read the numbers from your right, and then you read them from your right. What do you do from your right? You count how many there are. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, and 2, and then a space. And then you put space because we count them in threes. So that there's first 3, then the space, and the other one will go along. So by the time I come back from the left, I know that 1 goes on its own. It's just 1. So what is the space here? The first space is always 1,000. So now since there's only 4 numbers, there's only going to be 1 space, which is 1,000. So this is 1,234, right? So this one is set. And then the next one would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, you start from the right. You count 3 numbers. You put a space. And then you count the rest of the numbers. So we only have like 2 numbers, so there's not going to be any more spaces. So this one is going to be these 2 are going to be 12, and these 3 are going to be 345, right? So the space in between. So what do you say? 12,000. See, the space is 12,000, so you can say 12,345. It's easy, no? Okay, we're going to increase the number of the numbers. Let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, you have this time 6 numbers. So remember, we separate the numbers into threes. So 6, 5, and 4 will be space, and then it will be 3, 2, 1. So we only still have 1 space, and that space is 1,000. Always that space is going to be 1,000 because the other space comes after 6 numbers. So we're good. So this one is going to be read nicely. It's 123 space 456. So what is that? That is 123,456. That's it. Nothing complicated about it. I want a man that has a 7-digit salary. Well, you're about to find out what that means. Okay, so we're going to do these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to start from the right. Always start from the right, counting. Okay, so you counting and you're identifying the spaces if the spaces are already there. But if they're not, you're putting the spaces in. So 7, 6, 5. That's the first 3. After that, it will be the first space, which is 1,000, and then you have 4, 3, 2. After that, we will have another space, which is the second space, 1,000,000. Then we have only 1 on the other side. So 1 is on its own, and it's 1,234,467. Finish. Go from the right and we section the numbers into threes. I'm going to keep my eyes closed the whole entire time. We section the numbers in threes. So we're going to start with 8. It's 8, 7, 6 space 5, 4, 3 space 2, 1. Oh, look at that. At the beginning we have 2 numbers. Okay, so now we're going to go and identify the spaces. Okay, so it's 8, 7, 6 space. The first space is 1,000. 5, 4, 3. The second space is 1,000,000. And then since there's only 2 numbers, we won't have any other space. 12,345,678. The key is to not rush. You need to slow down. You know, like you're doing it in slow motion. Let's section from the right. It's 987 space 654 space 321, and then we're done. So we've got 2 spaces. First one is 1,000. Second one is 1,000,000. You need to be slow when doing this. Okay, it's 123,456,789 rands. See, like if you're a dancer, it's like how you be learning steps for dancing. Do you learn them at a high speed? No, you first do them slowly. I can't dance, so I don't know how you do it. Bye.